Hello, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the example 2 divide parenthesis 2 plus 3 multiply 3. So, we will get the answer how to get the right answer. So, here we first simplify the parenthesis to divide. So, first we simplify the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, addition and multiplication operation included. So first we simplify the multiplication. 2 plus 3 multiply 3 is 9. Okay, and then also present parenthesis. So we solve 2 plus parenthesis. 2 plus 9 is 11. Okay, so here we get the 2 divide 11. So when we simplify the 2 divide 11, we will get the answer 0.128. This is the right answer of this question. 0.128. This is the right answer of this question.